Welcome to Inner GPS Gurus. What is insomnia? How do you overcome insomnia? Insomnia is the condition when you lose your sleep for nights, and it may happen for a longer duration of time. When you cannot sleep according to your body clock and you are unable to have the benefits of a good sleep. The causes of insomnia are many. I am dividing it in 3 segments so that if it resonates with you, you can contact me to heal you and have a better night's sleep. The prime cause of insomnia is stress, anxiety, and depression. When you are in stress, your rest and digest mode of your brain is shifted to fight, flight, and freeze mode. When it happens for a longer duration of time, you are unable to sleep well, and due to this, all your body functions are not functioning well. On the physical level, insomnia may be caused due to obesity or due to lack of nutrition in the right proportion which your cells need. It may happen due to unconscious living. You are not eating right, you are not sleeping right, you are not doing your daily activities which your body needs, and these may cause your body functions to become imbalanced and not allowing your brain to rest when it needs to. From the mind's perspective, insomnia may be caused when your mind is too much stressed due to trauma or due to obsessive thoughts running in your mind 24/7 without you having the control over stopping it. On the energy level, the causes of insomnia may be due to Kundalini awakening or due to settlement of past karmas happening to you right now. Whether it is on the body level or on the mind level or on the energy level, on all the levels, your sleep is disturbed and you as an individual is affected by it. There are many harmful effects of insomnia in your life, both personal and professional. On the personal level, the first thing which is affected, the first area which is affected is your physical health. When you do not sleep at night or for days together, or all your nervous system and its function stops functioning in the way to keep you healthy. Internally, all your organs are getting affected due to sleepless nights. Taking of pills or other medications doesn't help you if you are not going to the root cause of you having this problem of insomnia. In wealth, you are not able to perform well because your professional life is not proper and not growth oriented. You are not healthy enough to perform well in your professional career, and accordingly your monetary and financial wealth is affected, because an unhealthy person cannot function well in this life, in this world, because he is not radiating with the highest healthy energy to work in the most efficient and productive way. You cannot become a leader or the creator of your career if you are not sleeping well at night, because the brain stops functioning. The cognitive function of the brain is affected. The logical and the creative aspect of the brain is totally affected due to lack of sleep, and it may break you down anytime in your work. There are many cases when people have left job, have left working in any organization, have closed their business due to this problem of insomnia. If you are having any such symptoms where you find that for 3 continuous days you are not able to sleep well, then it is the time when you diagnose yourself through me, where I will read your inner GPS and help you heal from the core cause of this issue. Don't take it lightly, because patients who are later proved clinically depressive or mentally retarded had the first symptoms in the form of insomnia. When left untreated for a longer duration, it makes your brain dysfunctional in this world to live. And not only in this world, as a life, your life is a hell when you are suffering from this basic right of yours to sleep well at night. We, the human creature, have always taken the benefit and gift of this existence, and that includes our basic 6 functions which we do on everyday basis: sleeping well, eating well, drinking well, breathing well, excreting well from all the toxins, and all the pleasures which we take as a physical body. When all these 6 basic functions of yours are not functioning well, you cannot communicate well with your spouse, family, and peers. You do not function as an integrated human, and your relationship is also at stake when you are unable to exchange what you need to in the form of love, affection, and some responsibilities which comes with every relation. You must understand that if your health is not well, you are not able to earn well, you are not able to function well as an integrated being, and your connectivity with this world gradually diminishes. Some people going through insomnia are in severe loneliness. No one is able to help them because they do not come forward to express what they are going through. There is a sense of shame and guilt in them which do not allow them to share their problems openly. You have the right to cure yourself, to heal yourself, to be better, to live healthily. And that is possible only when you take the initiative, when you take the lead to take help from the one who can help you in real terms. Be compassionate to yourself because you have lost your basic right to sleep well, and you must address to the problem and face it, solve it, and not run from it. Don't feel guilty and shameful about whatever has happened in your life, because the prime reason or the cause of those problems or stress is not your fault. There are so many karmic accounts which need to be settled when we as a human being take birth. You need to address those from a different perspective. You need to heal yourself from the blocked energies which has activated your sympathetic nervous system. With sleep issues, you get so many other problems like indigestion, irritable bowel syndrome, lack of rest and peaceful experience of life. And with this, your body is not able to generate the right quantity of energy you need on everyday basis to live a good life. Even if you want to maintain your physical body, you need a basic volume of energy to be produced by your cells, and those energies are rejuvenated when you sleep well. You are like a big machine working in an integrated way. All your organ system are working in an integrated way to give you a experience of life, a human being who has the expression in this world in different ways. So, if you have lost your sleep for any reason, connect to me, get in touch with me, ask questions, show me and discuss with me the problems you are facing in your life. I will read your inner GPS and help you to remove all your blocked energies. And yes, there are many cases where I get success stories about people who have slept in the first day itself. Extreme case of insomnia. They have slept well after taking my healing session, and in gradual process they say that they are living a good life because they can sleep well now. That's all for now. Connect to me if you want to. Thank you.